Here we come, walking down the street. We get the funniest looks from everyone we
Oh, it's our last school journey.
Yes, not just for us, for Mrs. Mackenzie as well.
Has anyone seen her this morning?
Oh, I saw her in the wine section at Tesco's this morning. She was taking the lunch off the buy 10, get 10 free offer.
I hope she got that from in her suitcase.
Oh, they weren't for her. They were for Mr. Jones. Mrs. Mackenzie told my mum she's packed her 6.
What about Belinda and Miss Sitton?
Oh, they're okay. They're booked into a pub for a week.
On the way to Eastbourne, we stopped up. Oh. Welcome to Year 6 School Journey Assembly 2014.
The coast to Eastbourne. Eastbourne has a single beach which has been divided up by buildings. There are wooden bridges which are nearly 100 feet across to prevent the pebbles being moved along the coast by long little drifts. The waves pile up the stones at each corner of each section of the beach. The council usually use their JCB to move them seawards. They do this after the winter storms of April or May. If the shingle is not replaced, the winter waves will attack the seawall, the road and the houses, causing damage to the property of the land.
On the way to Eastbourne, we stopped at Iton Moat.
Iton Moat was built in Kent in 1330. It's well hidden and has survived for many centuries. It is a medieval moated manor house in the same county of Kent where Watts Tyler led the Peasants' Revolt lived.
These peasants are revolting.
Thanks.
When Iton Moat was built in 1330, it had to be built in many stages, starting from the east side to the west side. The house was surrounded on all sides by a moat, not for defence but for decoration to make it look grand. The colourful rooms created inside this ancient building are what you'd expect from posh medieval dwellings. They're even used by the brave knights for shelter and security.
Iton Moat Flats. How long was used in its construction?
Household members used to fish through the windows into the mud.
I don't believe it. I actually caught one.
Elizabeth Selby claimed to have seen the ice during the season follow her as she prepared for bed.
The Great Colony is an enormous dog kennel, house with some burners, where dinner used to be served up in a washing up bowl.
Who's that burning? The crypt was used as a prison in World War II when the German pilot landed in the garden.
When babies born, Iton Moat was built to stand illegal shoots in the walls surrounding the building. These shoots were thought to ward off evil spirits in medieval times.
Some of us painted watercolours of whites and whites.
School journey, would it be the same without room entertainment? These are some of the sketches we wrote and performed on Wednesday evening in Eastbourne. We're in room 415. When Iton Moat was built, they placed shoes in the walls to scare away evil ghosts and spirits. Shoot! Shoot! They look like those souls to me. dancer on the wind. Beautiful dancer on the wind with their fluttering wings. Their bodies softer in grass, their legs thin and sticks, gliding softly through the air on the hunt for food. Beautiful skater on the ice, multicolored and amazing to watch. Wings as smooth as silk, as delicate as a feather. What am I?
The skylark. It flies vertically high in the sky and makes its nest from grass and roots. Out of the ground it quickly shoots. Its song lasts for several minutes and its display knows no limits.
Hello and welcome to Spring Watch. My name is Chris and this is a really exciting and rare treat to be presenting Spring Watch 2014. Shh, listen carefully. Can you hear a tweet?
Is it Mr. Furnace? Well, it can't be Miss Mackenzie. She does a lot of twittering, but not much tweeting. What's up, Chris? Didn't we do this from what sketch last year?
Oh yes, so we did. Take two. Hello and welcome to Britain's Got Talent. We'd like to welcome on stage. No, it's not the Nolans. No, it's not even the Beverly Sisters. It's the Seven Sisters. Stop! Stop!
What? Seven Sisters?
We are the Seven Sisters, magnificent and white. Seven ocean kids, one super sight. And we're running on bars, accidentally falls. 6 chalk cliffs, standing on that walls. 6 chalk cliffs, magnificent and white. 6 chalk cliffs, looming large and bright. And when one of us crumbles in the sea, there'll be 5 chalk cliffs for all of you to see. 5 chalk cliffs, magnificent and white. 5 chalk cliffs, standing in the light. And when one of us is hit by longshore drift, there'll be bits of me crumbling down the cliff. 4 chalk cliffs, magnificent and white. 4 chalk cliffs, floating in the light. And when one of us is damaged by erosion, there'll be 3 chalk cliffs, causing a commotion. 3 chalk cliffs, magnificent and white. 3 chalk cliffs, 70 metres in height. And when one of us is down the mighty waves, there'll be 2 chalk cliffs for all of you to save. 2 chalk cliffs, magnificent and white. 2 chalk cliffs in a terrible plight. And when one of us is pelted by the rain, there'll be 1 chalk cliff, all alone again. 1 chalk cliff, magnificent and white. 1 chalk cliff, alone and very quiet. And when I fall down straight onto the shore, there'll be no chalk cliffs, no sisters anymore.
We enjoyed painting pictures we saw the Seven Sisters country park. We enjoyed painting pictures we saw at Seven Sisters Country Park.
Wednesday's stories of the Royal Video Writers. Brighton, but the Prince Regent has had his top chef Karen prepare 104 courses. On the menu tonight is the crab de trout, the crab bolognese, the trout and the bolognese. Our contestants tonight are the Prince Regent. Hello, I'm Mary Berry, and I'm hoping there are no soggy bottoms. That is. I'm looking forward to the crab. When I dress the crab...
Do be quiet, Mary. G'day, I'm Joss the Road. Maybe I'm to dress a crab, but she definitely can't dress herself.
One great voice. Crap, no crap for me. You might not come any harder than this, but what I want to know, where to put it.
George, Prince of Wales, was born on the 12th of August 1762. He was the eldest son of George III and Queen Charlotte. The young prince grew up in a disciplined environment. He was an extravagant young man who soon started to rebel against his upbringing. As he grew up and developed an extravagant lifestyle, he visited Brighton in 1783 to take simple to Oxford to eat his spellings in his grandmother's name. He soon enjoyed the theatre, gambling, and food that Brighton offered. Brighton soon became popular due to the qualities of Ireland. It was soon known as London by the Sea.
We enjoyed painting our watercolours at Brighton Pavilion.
Here we come, walking down the street. We get the funniest looks from everyone we meet.
Here we come to Zilla Zoo. We feel so excited, so you can come too. Hey, hey, we're the monkeys. We keep saying monkey around, but we're too busy enjoying our trip to the Sussex Downs. We're just trying to be friendly. Come see us learn and play. We're riding 2×6s, and we're just loving our stay. Hey, we're the monkeys. You never know where we'll be found. So you had better get ready. We'll be coming back to Epping Town.
At Drusilla Zoo, we saw and learned about many different animals.
The squirrel monkey. Squirrel monkeys live in the tropical forests of Central and South America in the Canopy Layer. The common squirrel monkeys are often captured and used for pet trade and for medical research. The black squirrel monkey is listed as an endangered species. Squirrel monkey fur is short and close. It is coloured olive at the shoulders and yellow and orange on its back and extremities. Their throat and the ears are white and their mouths are black. The upper part of their head is hairy. The black and white face gives them the name Death's Head Beak monkey. Squirrel monkeys are omnivores, mostly eating fruit and insects. Occasionally they also eat seeds, leaves, flowers, buds, nuts, eggs and smaller monkeys. The bat home. The bat flies as high as the sky, catching bugs and insects, lives in the night. Gliding through the air, big ears locate echoes using ultrasonic sound. One of Britain's rarest mammals who never touches the ground.
We have been very busy sewing maids and cushions.
floor there is a well and a huge fireplace in the corner. As you can see, the panelling of carved columns make an Italian walnut. This leads to the great hall with its splendid limb-fold panelling and large picture of Henry VIII. There are tapestries on the walls from Belgium. The elaborate locks on the doors are those which Henry VIII took with him wherever he went. His personal locksmith fixed the lock to the door of the room of which the king slept.
Who lives in a house like this? Professor Brother Ant from the Lord Rochford sleeps. Which has a canopy to stop insects falling on his head. Hidden behind the oak panelling is the oratory, and this is a chapel where the family secretly worships. The priest came into the building through a passage. So who lives in a house like this?
I do. My name is Anne Malone and I live here, at Hever Castle. It is deathly boring here. It's in the middle of nowhere with nothing to do. I do wish I was back in France. It's so exciting and cold there. Do you know, sometimes my father looks me up in the room there. There is, however, I have a secret. The King Henry, proposed to me. Can you believe it? He already has a wife. I've heard that he's even written to the Pope to have his marriage to Catherine of York. There is talk in his court that he will create a new church, the Church of England, just so he can marry me. I think I do love him. He is so handsome. What will become of me?
Someone was painted porticos of Hever Castle.
Definition 1. The dinner plate was a square piece of wood with a bowl carved out to hold your serving of the stew that was always cooking over the fire. The kettle was never emptied or cleaned out. You always took your square with you when you went to travel.
Definition 2. Henry VIII said that everyone had to eat off a square plate as only people in royal blood could use a round one. This was to match the shape of the royal head.
So who thinks definition 1 is correct? And who thinks definition 2 is correct? The correct answer is definition 1. Chew the fat is the next phrase.
A host offers guests a piece of bacon, which is stored above the fireplace in the parlour, so they could chew the fat during their visit.
This was the latest novel written by Henry VIII after marrying Anne Boleyn, discovering she had 6 fingers on one. He decided to have the extra finger cut off and thrown to the dogs. They chewed up this bit of extra fat. So who thinks definition 1 is correct? And who thinks definition 2 is correct? The correct answer is definition 1. Getting the short end of the stick is the next phrase.
Candles were expensive to make, so often weeds were dipped in tallow and burned in bed. When visitors came, they had to leave by the time the candle burnt out. Therefore, if your husband wanted to stay very long, he will give you a short stick.
Definition 2. Children were taken to school and kept in order by a stick. If a child went astray,
The teacher had to run after him or her with a short stick.
So who thinks definition 1 is correct? And who thinks definition 2 is correct? The correct answer is definition 1. Threshold is our final word.
The raised of the entrance held back the straw called threshold was on the floor of Tudor houses.
Definition 2. In Tudor wrestling, one of Giant Haystack's favourite holds was the thresh. This is where he got hold of his opponent's head and tied it up with his own hair, which was every straw.
So who thinks definition 1 is correct? Who thinks definition 2 is correct? The correct answer is definition 1. Thank you for watching the Tudor edition of Conrad Love.
Anyway, do you enjoy using cats to show you cats best basket joy?
Yes, we are leaving school. On Monday we went to Iton Road, an old house built by Richard Hope. It's fun staying at the Raymar Hotel. It's fun staying at the Raymar Hotel. On Tuesday we went to Seven Sisters Park, watching creatures including a skylark. It's fun staying at the Raymar Hotel. It's fun staying at the Raymar Hotel. On Wednesday we went to the Royal Pavilion. This house cost him millions. It's fun staying at the Raymar Hotel. It's fun staying at the Raymar Hotel. On Thursday we went to see the zoo. We saw meerkats and fruit bats too. It's fun staying at the Raymar Hotel. It's fun staying at the Raymar Hotel. On Friday we went to Hever Castle, where Anne Boleyn met Henry